How to delete our channels in Discord at once. It is possible, it is not possible. Let's find out now, okay? So, first of all, I will pass the information on my computer, okay? But it's the same process on iPhone or Android, okay? So, if you want to delete all channels at once, I will tell you that it is impossible, okay? You don't have an official way on Discord to delete all channels. What I need to do is click channel per channel and delete channel per channel, okay? But this process is very quickly. You just need to click right here on edit channels. I will create a channel just for example, okay? So test channel, you click on edit channel and click on the last option, delete channel again, and repeat the process on all channels that you want to delete, okay? If you want to delete all channels, the only option that you have is delete your server, okay? So click on the server name, click server settings, and click on delete server right here, okay? I hope I helped you with the information. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.